Let us talk about gadgets. Not the cute kind you buy to organize your desk, and not the kitchen appliances that promise to slice tomatoes perfectly. I mean the real gadgets, the kind that make cybersecurity experts sweat and make cybercriminals feel like they are staring in a spy movie. In today's video, we are counting down the 10 best and most dangerous hacking gadgets ever created. Tools so sneaky, so clever, and sometimes so scary that you will wonder how they even exist. And just before we dive in, here is the important part. Everything in this video is for education, awareness, and ethical cybersecurity only. If you choose to use any of these tools for illegal purpose, that is on you. And trust me, the consequences are far less fun than the gadgets. Let us begin the countdown with a simple but surprisingly terrifying tool. At number 10 is the Keylogger USB stick. You plug it in and it records every keystroke typed on a machine. Passwords, messages, emails, everything. No flashing lights, no dramatic beeps, just silent betrayal from a device the size of a fingernail. Number 9 is the Wi-Fi Pineapple. This gadget can mimic trusted Wi-Fi networks so convincingly that your devices say, "Sure, connect me," without thinking twice. It is one of the most widely used tools in penetration testing because it shows just how easily wireless trust can be abused. At number 8, we have got the OMG cable. You would think it as a regular charging cable, but no. Inside it is a tiny payload injection system that can deliver malicious commands the moment you plug it in. Imagine a cable that charges your phone while ruining your entire day. Next up are the wireless infiltration tools. Now these are the gadgets that make security analysts lose sleep. Number 7 is the Flipper Zero. It is adorable, it has a cute dolphin animation, and yet it can clone RFID badges, spoof signals, capture infrared transmissions, and interact with access systems in ways that will make a security door cry. Number 6 is HackRF1, a software-defined radio that can capture, modify, and replace signals. Garage doors, pagers, car fobes, wireless sensors. HackRF1 can listen to them all like it is tuning into a darker version of FM radio. Number 5 is the LAN Turtle. It looks like an innocent USB to Ethernet adapter, but once connected, it becomes a covert command and control device. It can maintain persistence, exfiltrate data, and create backdoors, all while looking like office equipment purchased from a clearance bin. Time for the physical access exploitation chapter, the part where you hope nobody ever plugs anything into your computer again. Number 4 is the Rubber Ducky. This tool is legendary. It acts like a USB flash drive, but the moment you plug it in, it launches a rapid-fire keystroke injection attack. It types commands faster than a caffeinated programmer during a hackathon. Number 3 is Poison Tab. This little Raspberry Pi powered nightmare can bypass locked computers, hijack browsers, install persistent backdoors, and generally ruin your week. The scariest part is that it only needs an open USB port. If you thought locking your screen protected you, Poison Tab politely says no. Now let us crank the danger level to maximum with the high-tech spy gadgets used in real-world operations. Number 2 is the GSM Interceptor Box. These devices spoof mobile towers and trick phones into connecting. Once hooked, calls and texts can be intercepted, metadata can be logged, and entire conversations can be monitored. These devices are heavily restricted and often found only in government-level operations or in a very bad hands. And at number 1, the king of chaotic gadgets is the Signal Jammer. Illegal in many parts of the world, these devices shut down everything wireless in a given radius. May it be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, everything gone. No calls, no text, no GPS, just silence. It's like someone unplugged the invisible wires holding modern life together. So how dangerous are these gadgets really? Let's talk the real-world impact. Keyloggers and malicious cables have been used in corporate espionage. Wi-Fi pineapples and Flipper devices have exposed massive vulnerabilities in public networks. GCM interceptors have been central to surveillance operations around the world. Jammers have disrupted emergency communications more than once, which is exactly why they are so heavily restricted. But remember, these gadgets are not inherently evil. Ethical hackers use them to test systems, reveal weaknesses, and patch vulnerabilities before criminals find them. The same tool in the hands of a white hat protects people. In the hands of a black hat, it endangers them. The tool does not define the intent, the user does. As we close, here is what you should take away. Cybersecurity awareness is no longer optional. Lock your devices, use multi-factor authentication, avoid plugging in unknown USB devices, and most importantly, trust network. And remember, while these tools sound powerful, the majority of attacks still succeed because of simple human mistake. Companies today rely heavily on ethical hackers, penetration testers, bug bounty hunters, and security researchers to keep their network safe. That could be you if you choose to learn how to use these tools responsibly and legally. Before you go, I want to know which of these gadgets surprised you the most. Drop your answer in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves tech cybersecurity. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there in the digital wild.